guys, so as the title says, big changes. I mean, these last few weeks have been just hectic, and I feel like I need to make this video before I move on with my next few videos, because it's not going to make any sense unless I talk about something here. So I figured I'd talk about it while I let the E90 warm up. Since it's about 30 degrees here today, and it's really windy and cold, it's going to take a while for this thick oil to warm up. But there's nothing I hate more than just blabbling on for no reason, so I'm going to get right to it. I started a new job, or partnership. I don't know what it's going to turn out to be long run, but I think it's going to work out. If you guys have ever seen the channel Tommy F Yeah, or if you know Tommy F Yeah, he's got all the JDM legends. He's got a Supra, he's got a million Skylines, RX-7s, you name it. And in the future, he wants to expand the business and restore Skylines and do everything F Yeah spec. And F Yeah spec is like, you know, completely dialed, everything perfect. It's the way I would like to build cars. So he reached out to me and said, hey, I need a media guy. I need someone to help out around the shop, help out with merch. Can you do it? And can you start next week? This was a couple weeks ago. And there's nothing more important to me than keeping this YouTube channel going, DriveItRyan. I want to build this and keep making the videos I love to make. That's truly what makes me happy. So at first I was like, like how much time do you need from me? And he said probably like 6 days a week to start off, sometimes 7. And I wasn't too excited about that because it's trading my time. Life is always a balance between time and money, right? You can never have both until, well, one day, if you figure it out, you have both, but I'm not there yet. But I said, screw it, let's try it out, see how it works. It's been about 2 weeks working for him, and it's been busy, it's been crazy, but everything's been it's been good. Tomorrow we're leaving for Florida, so I wanted to film this video today. Today is, I don't even know what today is. Today's Monday, so I'm going to film this right now and upload it right away. Anyway, so what I've been doing for him, a little bit of everything. Been doing product photography, helping out with website management. I'm a huge detailing nerd, so I've been helping detail his cars, taking photos of them, listing them for sale, helping out with his videos, doing like cinematic montages and stuff like that, helping out with B-roll, because, I mean, ask anyone trying to film cars, it takes a few people, it takes 2 or 3 guys at least to get the job done correctly, because you need a camera guy, you need someone driving the car, and sometimes you're doing chase shots or something like that. It takes 3 guys, so it's incredibly helpful to have a media guy there when you need them, you know, whenever you need them. Ooh, she's angry. Pretty much warmed up, so we'll go for a spin in a second. Like I said, we're leaving for Florida in the morning, so make sure you follow the guys, because we'll probably be going live on the way down and be doing, well, there's a lot of stuff going down in Florida. Lots of cool stuff. I can't really announce it yet, but follow Tommy F Yeah, follow Tyler, Ben, and Josh. I'll put all their Instagram handles below. And you know, I'm excited. I think this is going to be good. Good, mutually beneficial for everybody. Hopefully, if we could all find the right balance. I'm a little stressed out right now, but I don't know. I have a good feeling about it. All right, that's enough blabbling. Thank you guys to everyone who watches my videos and everyone who has subscribed already. Don't forget to like and comment. I hate saying that. It's like, that's what every YouTuber says, like, comment, subscribe. They say you gotta say it, but I don't know, it seems a little redundant. All right, let's do a little, let's go for a quick spin. It's cold out, but the roads are dry, and I haven't ran the E90 in a long time, so let's run a little gas through it, and I'll see you guys in the next one.